Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Squarespace domain to Bolt.new. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Squarespace domains and click on Manage Domains. After you do this, you'll have to simply navigate to your dashboard and simply select a website that you have created and search for its domain. So, after you get the domain, what you'll have to simply do is copy the domain and navigate to Bolt.new. So after you navigate to Bolt.new, simply navigate to the app where you want to connect your domain. After you do this, you'll have to click on the settings gear icon at the top right and choose server functions. Now choose domain and hosting. After you select this option, you will see this page. Here, you're going to simply click on connect a domain you own. So after you click on add custom domain, you will see a CNAME target, usually something like cname.bolt.new. So keep this handy. You will use it in a Squarespace. So simply navigate to Squarespace. After doing this, navigate to domains and choose the domain that you want to connect. Click DNS settings or advanced settings to access your DNS records. Under your DNS records, click add record and choose CNAME, then fill it in like this. After you do this will tell your Squarespace domain to point your subdomain www to bolt.new site. Now, to make sure your domain.com also works, create a forward a record and redirect in a Squarespace, then get back to bolt.new, navigate to the same page that we navigated and add your custom domain and click verify. DNS changes may take up to 15 to 30 minutes to fully propagate. After you do this, you would have successfully connected your Squarespace domain to Bolt.new. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.